What are you doing, Adam?
Does he need a thing of fruit, or what's going on here?
Yes. What are you doing? You being gentle?
Yeah.
Yeah? Are you gonna make him laugh?
Yeah. And I'm laughing.
He's not laughing. There he is. Oh, no, you can't. I'll show it to you after. You tickle him some more. You tickle Austin some more. Is he laughing at you? Yeah. Are you both ready for bed? Oh, you giving him a hug? Gentle. That's good. That's big enough. What day is today, Daddy? 23rd of June. Yeah. See you later. See you later. What are you doing? What's on the floor? What are you putting in there? Corn?
Yeah.
And then what are you doing with it? In the grain cart?
Yeah.
Oh.
More?
More?
And
Alright. Kate, look at the camera and say see you later. Adam. Look at the camera and say see you later.